my name is Francesca Mesiti. I'm a technician in the potato breeding program, and mainly my work consists in the cooking evaluation of what we breed. First of all, we start from basic traits in cooking. So we are not chefs or anything, but what we assess in potatoes is the way they cook or peel, their texture, and roughly their taste as well. And more than that, of course, we have different markets to look at. So we've got Rooster, which is something everybody knows, and it's a floury potato that peels while cooked. The growing market is salad potatoes, which are much smaller and they're just much easier to cook. Just throw them in microwave and off you go. Another important sector we breed for is industry, so the processor market, like basically it's crisps. What happens is a potato is a bowl of starch, and starch normally breaks down into sugars, and the more sugars you get in a potato, the darker the fry color goes. So what we want to get is a potato that will fry gold off the field after 1 month of storage or after the whole season, which is what customers expect in a crisp bag anyway. So normally starch will break down into sugars and at a different level, so that's what you see here. But what we want to get, it's the perfect potatoes that will be like this from October to next summer, and that's the other big part of market we work for. So in summary, all we want to get is your perfect crisp, neat and small and quick to cook salad potatoes, or the traditional flour varieties like Rooster.